Hey everyone, welcome back to DevOps community. You've probably heard people say Docker runs containers. But what does that actually mean? Why is every DevOps engineer obsessed with it? In the next 4 minutes, you'll understand what Docker really is, how it works, and why it changed the way we build software forever. So let's dive in. Before Docker, deploying software was painful. Developers built code on their laptops, and everything worked perfectly there. But when the same code was deployed to production, it often failed. Different operating systems, dependency versions, and libraries created endless issues. You know that classic line,
It works on my machine.
yeah. Docker was built to kill that sentence. The world needed a way to make applications run exactly the same everywhere. And that's where Docker came in. So what exactly is Docker? Docker is an open source containerization platform. It lets you package your application plus all its dependencies like frameworks, libraries, environment variables into one single unit called a container. A container is like a lightweight, portable mini computer that always behaves the same way, no matter where you run it. Your laptop, your friend's laptop, or a cloud server. Think of it as a box that contains everything your app needs. Build once, run anywhere. Here's how Docker actually works. Step 1. You create a file called a Dockerfile. It's basically a recipe that tells Docker how to build your app, which base image to use, what to install, and how to run it. Step 2. You build that Dockerfile into an image using the command docker build with the flag -t, followed by your app name, let's say my app, and a dot for the current directory. Step 3. You run that image as a container using docker run with the flag -p to publish the port, mapping port 5000 on your machine to port 5000 in the container, followed by your image name, my app. Boom! Your app is now running in its own isolated environment, completely independent of your system setup. Every time you run that container, it behaves identically. Let's say you're building an e-commerce app. You'll have 3 parts: a front-end container, React or Angular, a back-end container, Node.js or Python Flask, and a database container, MongoDB or MySQL. Using Docker Compose, you can run all 3 together with one simple command. Docker Compose up, and instantly, your entire app stack starts up, connected, and ready to test. No more setup errors, no more missing dependency headaches, just clean automated environments that work. Today, almost every tech company uses Docker, from Netflix and Spotify to Amazon and PayPal. Why? Because Docker is fast. It starts in seconds, lightweight, smaller than virtual machines, portable, runs anywhere, and scalable, perfect for microservices and Kubernetes. Docker made DevOps automation and continuous delivery possible at global scale. So to sum it up, Docker lets you package once and run anywhere. It solved one of the biggest problems in software delivery: consistency. If you want to become a real-world DevOps engineer, Docker is your starting point. Comment with the hashtag #LearnDevOps if this video helped you, like the video, and subscribe to DevOps community for more fast and practical tech explainers.